G'day everyone, Craig Posey here. I hope you're all well in whatever part of the world you're watching this video. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of the 3rd, 2017. It is also the second day of autumn. Hooray! It is also the 5th day we are now we're experiencing weather Armageddon in Perth, Western Australia. The time here is 13:18 p.m. It is weather Armageddon, as I said. We are experiencing weather here that is just incredible. Soul destroying, mind sapping. It feels, I've lived around the world and this feels like I'm living in the deep tropics at the moment. That's how humid it is. And the weird thing about that is that Perth is actually a desert. Shouldn't have humid weather at all, but it is so humid you could cut the air with a knife. The reason I'm showing you this is because the sun should set currently 261 degrees west. And if you all remember, which you won't, so I'll remind you, the sun from my house, the compass setting from my house is 270 degrees west. So there it is, Prep Street. The sunset is supposed to be 260 degrees southwest. Yes, that's right, I did say southwest. So let me read this to you again. 261 degrees west. Well, Isn't that amazing? So I guess what I'm trying to say is that either they don't know how to read a compass, but there is no such thing as 260 degrees west. It's southwest or west. Simple as that. Look, that's just splitting hairs. But the sun here yesterday was setting so high in the sky that it was just incredible. As I said, we're now coming into March, so in January when I did this, I believe it was, the sun, look, this is where it was supposed to be setting, 241 degrees southwest. We're now at 260 degrees, 61 degrees official sunset. Now, remember I said to you back then that that's where the sun set, and that has been proven beyond a shadow of a doubt by a video that came out recently by NASA showing the way the Earth was tilting. Interesting, eh? So in actual fact, the sun hasn't gone anywhere. So why am I showing you this? Well, let's have a look at this. I thought I'd have a look at good old Trig Beach Camp, which is just down the road from me, to see if I could see anything. And lo and behold, I sure as bloody hell could. Now, okay, so this is Trig Beach Camp. I was mainly interested in trying to find out where the sun set yesterday. And if I have to be honest, if it was 261 degrees west, I would probably say it's set in the right spot. But I did say that the sun at 1800 here was exactly in the wrong spot in the sky. So I know that sounds weird to say, but we checked it here yesterday and it was actually wrong. I don't know how it ended up getting to the right spot or if it is the right spot these days, but it was wrong at 1800. It was literally so high in the sky that it was incredible. I texted everybody and asked them to have a look and everyone agreed with me. Okay, most people agree with me. I'm going to play this now. Keep your eye on over here. Where do we go? Did you see it? Still there? Still there? Let's go back a bit, shall we? Whoa! There's actually two of them, folks. Now, it would be very easy to dismiss this as lens flares or lens anomalies, as the experts say. Reflections off the water, reflections off the water into the lens, etc., etc. But it doesn't kind of work out that way, and I'll go back and show you why. Have a look at these here. These are actually in a line of sunlight. Does that make sense? And these ones. See how these are all in, this is a reflection off the water. It's not really going into the camera. That's a reflection in the water, isn't it? Obviously going into the camera. This reflection here, you can actually see the reflections in the anomalies in the glass. They're going down here. Here's another one going up this way. They're all to be expected. It's nothing unusual. But let me go back a bit. Okay. See that? See those? That's what I would expect. These are over here. Does that make sense to everybody? Yeah, look, there's a perfect example. See that one? Right. Now let's go. Folks, these are seriously something different. Notice how the sunlight is actually moving down them from the top to the bottom, which would indicate that they are on the right-hand side of the sun and sitting, if you like, just beside it, but slightly back. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, this was the bit that got me intrigued. Alright? Watch how the sun, as I said, it goes from top to bottom. And you notice how that is covering the whole of it. And then you have that scenario where there's two of them. Now, have you noticed that at the front of this one there's actually something in front of it? It's hard to see, I know, but if you actually pull your screens up, you'll be able to have a look at it. See it? One there, second one there, and right in front of it is another one. Now that tells you that it has characteristics of something on its own and the light is being shone off it. Okay, well this is it. I'll only take it up to 100 because it kind of distorts after 100, if you know what I mean. I don't want to, it's hard enough as it is. So let me try this. Let's go through the testing procedure. I'll take it to I'll take it to 3. Okay? You'll notice that the sun is going down here and going onto the horizon and it's coming that way. Yeah, and the light beams coming down that way. Now, does that look like a lens refraction to anyone else? Didn't think so. If it is, then yeah, look, I'm 100% sorry, but I don't think it is. I'm not sorry. Why would I apologise for something I think I'm right about? But I may be wrong. So let's come out of this. Go back again. 100%. This time, do an invert. It's all about getting the right setting, folks, unfortunately. Or the right colour matching, or the right settings, for want of a better term. Let's go the opposite way. Well, you can still see it there, and you can still clearly see the one in front of it. And you can also see the one at the back. Okay? Now, get rid of that one. Let's try one more different scenario. That one didn't work. Okay, let's go this one. Nah, too messed up. Okay, folks, well, finally got there. I thought I'd save you all the boredom in between. Um, and sometimes things are just done in the simplest way. All I did with this was took the brightness down and the contrast up. Is there anybody out there who still thinks that's a lens reflection, lens flare? Look, you can clearly see one, two, and there's actually another planet, or sorry, an object right in front of it, just there. Now, I'm up to 100 pixels. I can't go any higher really because it'll just distort too much. As you can actually see there, what I will do is take it down just a little bit more for you. There you go. I hope you can all see that. Stands out like the proverbials. You don't have to be Einstein not to see it. And look, that even proves it again. And as it goes up, you can actually see is actually a combination of objects. There is, bloody hell, well, if that doesn't scare the bejesus out of you, nothing will. 1, 2, 3, 4, another big one there, 6, and there was another planet in front of that one. I'm sorry to tell you folks that everything we've been looking for is actually here. There you go. You can clearly see it. It's all a matter of having the patience to actually sit there and do all this stuff, to be honest. Now, if that wasn't bad enough, I thought, how can I prove it? Well, funny you should ask that. So folks, this is Lancelin, which is a couple of hours north of Perth, sorry, north of Cairns, old hometown. And as you can clearly see, over here, there is something in the sky that is being lit up as the sun goes down. I'll go back for you. Bloody. Oh. Okay, folks, as I said, this is Lancelin. Now, the object here is miles away from the sun, by the way. Now you can clearly see that there's another object with this object. Okay, well, I took a picture of it, or a still shot. This is what it came up with, and I'll do the same trick again. And same thing again, you can actually see that there is three objects there. One red, one kind of a bluish colour, and this thing. Probably had it better the first time. And there you go. One red, one blue, this bloody great big thing. Another one underneath it, by the way, so that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I said the other day, these, they're clearly obvious now. They're not even trying to hide them anymore because they're so visible. I've received 5 pictures of the last week from different people from different places, northern and southern hemisphere, and you can clearly see in every picture the same thing. So, as I said, exactly what we've been looking for is exactly here. I'll show you a screenshot from North America. It's clearly there, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one here, there's another one. There's 7 there, as I counted the other day. Clearly there. Can't make it up.